Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Lindsay, and Lindsay writes from South Orange, New Jersey. And Lindsay writes, what do you think about the housing bill Congress just passed? Well, Lindsay, yes, Congress just passed a bill with more than 45 housing provisions intended to increase the supply of housing, lower housing costs, and increased home ownership. And it tends to do that by streamlining and eliminating certain regulations to encourage more home construction, and also by limiting the ability of institutional investors to buy single-family homes that may otherwise go to regular buyers, because there's a section in the bill called Homes Are for People, Not Corporations. Now, a 2024 Freddie Mac study found that we are almost 4 million homes short in the United States. That's how much of a shortage we have in housing right now in the country, and that's the reason why both rents and the price of housing is so high. So the bill supports opportunities for veterans to buy homes, and it also provides grants to turn vacant homes into affordable housing. So my take on it is that it's a good first step, and it's a refreshing sign that both parties seem to understand that housing shortages is a major issue for most Americans, given how much money people spend on housing, particularly now, versus at times in the recent past. So I think it's a good first step, but many of the issues that restrict home construction are local and need to be addressed by local municipalities, but I think it's a good first step. So thanks for your question, Lindsay. For more real estate tips and information, visit my blog at geraldlucas.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.